So before I start today's tutorial, I want to show you a picture of me. So this is me holding a cup of coffee. Alright, so let's go. Can AI replace web developers? Well, to answer that question, I'll have to test it by myself. So I'm on VS Code right now, and I'm going to click on extensions. So you see if I zoom in, this is the extensions button, alright? I'm gonna click on it. So yours could be up here somewhere, but it's right here. So one click on it, and this is the extension menus. You have to search for Copilot, alright? So search for Copilot, and I want you to install GitHub Copilot. So install that one, and install GitHub Copilot Chat. So make sure that you install this one as well. So once you install these two, I want you to install Live Previewer as well. So type in Live Previewer and look for the one with the blue icon. So one click on it, you see we have this. So this is the live preview extension on VS Code. So right now I'm ready. I have that installed now. So I'm gonna close this one, and I'll keep the chat open here, and I'm gonna collapse this thing. All right. So collapse this extensions menu by moving your mouse over here and click and simply move it to the left, and it will just collapse that. And I'm gonna get this terminal. So I'm gonna end that or hide it. All right. So now I have this chat ready. If you don't see this chat, you can click here and type in greater than sign Copilot and choose Ask GitHub Copilot. So click on that and it's gonna do something. Now we are ready to ask a question. So you should see the Copilot here. Now I will simply open a folder. So I'll click on File and then go to Open Folder. So I have a folder that I want to create a website in. So it's called My Website. I'm going to select that, and we have opened it. All right. So once you open it, it's going to look like this. So I'm going to close this and something or add a command here. So we can give commands to this AI agent. So we are going to tell it build a full-fledged a do not shop website, because on my channel I have shown you how to do this using HTML and CSS. So we will compare this with what we did in the previous videos. Do not shop website. I should say build a full-fledged responsive. So we want it to be responsive, all right? So it should look good on all different screens. And I will tell it to add a hamburger menu. So add a hamburger menu with 5 pages, actually, with 5 pages, including gallery where I can zoom in and zoom out the images. Also, make sure to make the navigation bar responsive. Let's enter and let's see what it can do for us. It is working, it's doing something. So now it's creating necessary files. So if I click on Explorer right here, so folders, you see I have it here, and it has created an index.html. So we have not done anything. All right, so we have not coded, but this is what happened to web development, everyone. It can do what we were doing in the previous videos. So now if I click on the preview, you will see. So if I click on sublet, where is this? So my previewer should work. So let me just close this and let me go to index. So where's my index.html? It's right here. And let me just show preview. So you see it has created this donut shop website, and it's still doing it, everyone. It has created an index.html file. It has created this style. So I have it open twice. Let me just close this. So okay, I'm gonna do this, and let's look at the previewer. We will not take a look at the code at the moment. It's still working. It's creating about page, and if we take a look at the folders, you see we have a JavaScript file. So we have a folder for JavaScript, and we have some pages. You see we have the pages here, and we have a folder here for CSS. So let's take a look at the CSS, all right? So you see it has reset the base styles. It has added a font family, a navigation bar, and it has added some color to this. It has done a lot of cool stuff, and we have not even typed in anything. We simply told VS Code to do this for us, and this would take a lot of time if we were to build this. So you see now it's done. So let's try this website. Let's go to Sweet Delight. Oops, what happened? Oops, let me just refresh it. Let me go to index.html and live previewer. Okay, there we go. Let's test this. So we can test it, all right? So we can click on view our menu. See, it takes you to the menu, but you see it has added some broken images, which can be fixed easily. We can change the source of the images. So let's go back. We can go here, you know, it has built this cool thing. And let me just collapse this. And you see I have a nav bar, I have a hamburger menu. If I one click on it, wow. You see how nice it is. You see it has added that animation to it. So if I click on menu, we go to the menu, and if I click on it again, you see it works. Basically, you see the images are broken, so maybe we can just, you know, tell it, hey, add free donut images. All right, I don't have donut images on my computer, so let's simply tell it, you know, hey, add free donuts images from the internet. Should do it. You see, even though I didn't say add free donut images, I just said add free donuts, but it understood this idea. So you see it has brought some images here, and okay, so I'm gonna allow, so it's gonna do something. So it's working. Wow, it has added these images from the internet. Nice. And you see, whenever I move my mouse over it, see, it zooms in a little bit. So some of the images may not be related. For example, this one is not a donut, but it's okay. We can fix this. It's not a big deal. So we can click on this one. You see, wow, we can view it like this. And we can zoom in and zoom out. We can do all of this. So go to about. You see, go to contact. It has added a form. And let's view this on a browser. So I'm going to view it on this browser. So you see, if I click on home, it looks like this. So view our menu. I like it. I'm impressed, actually. I'm really impressed by this website. You know, it's awesome. It looks great. So let me just go to inspect, and let me see if I can change the screen size. So yeah, I can change it. So this is what it looks like on a small phone. So let me change it to iPhone 14 Pro Max, for example. You see, it's gonna look like this on iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is great. You see, it's pretty responsive. If you go to iPad mini, it's gonna look like this. And you can ask Copilot what to do for you. And this is what happened to the web development industry, everyone. You don't have to type in a single line of code. You can simply tell Copilot or AI what to do for you, and it's going to do it for you. Sometimes you may come across some functionality issues, but you can tell it to fix it for you, and it's going to do it for you. All right, so now I'm happy with this website. I can click on keep right here to keep the code, and then I'm gonna go to file, save all. You see, I have saved all of these files. Yep, we have built this website using Copilot, everyone. And this is why AI can replace web developers.